A very happy morning, children. Welcome back to the general knowledge session. This is Unit 2 Language Lit. A very happy morning, children. Welcome back to the general knowledge session. This is Unit 2 Language, Literature and Entertainment. So, first unit is World of Plants and Animals, isn't it? So, now we are going to see about a few languages and some news about literature and entertainment. Okay, so in this chapter you are going to learn new abbreviations, then books and authors, then name of some painters, familiar painters, and then the film descriptions, about the film descriptions, and you're going to learn some interesting facts about it. You're going to do some crosswords based on that, and you're going to give answers for the rapid fire based on this chapter 2. Okay, so now we enter into the lesson. So first topic is abbreviations. See children, you have the answers for each and everything in the book back. Okay, that is from page number 131. You have the answers for each and every questions. So now you can see how I have written the answer here. So I also want you all to write the answer, mark the answer as how I did here. Okay, so make it bright and visible. Even though if it is not here, the answers are not visible for you all, you can refer the answers at the book back and please mark the answers correctly. Okay, so now abbreviations. So write the full forms of the following abbreviations. So the first one is C. As this is a very old book, letters are, the fonts are bit lighter here. So the first one answer is Sarka. You can refer the answers at the back. Second one is Colonel. You have the answers in the side here also. You can mark the answers. It is for your reference. If you want, you can mark the answers like this, or you can write it neatly here given in the dash. So you have 20 dashes here, 20 abbreviations. So you can write the answers how I have written here. Okay. So the 10th one is Honorable, 12th one is International Criminal Police Commission, Interpol. 11th one is Indian National Satellite System, INSAT, abbreviation for INSAT, Indian National Satellite System. Okay, and 15th one MS, that is Miss. MAJ means major, and max, you know, basically that is mathematics, and PREP is preparatory. PREZ, 19th one, PREZ is president. 20th, REV is reverend. Okay, so you can write the answers, you can refer the book back answers, and please write the answers correctly, okay, and neatly. So this unit starts from the page 17. Okay, so this is page number 17, and below that you have books and authors. You are going to match, because this space is not sufficient enough to write the answers here, so I have marked all the answers here. So you can see the numbers how I have marked here. Okay, so Mulk Raj Anand is the answer for 9th one. So the 9th one is Coolie. That is the name of the book. Okay, and the author is Mulk Raj Anand. Then B is the answer for 6th question. Stephen Hawking. He wrote the book Brief History of Time. Okay, 6th one, Brief History of Time. Then Karl Marx is the answer for 10th one. Das Kapital. Das Kapital is the book, and Karl Marx is the author. Then Jawaharlal Nehru, bunch of old letters. So when Jawaharlal Nehru was in the prison, he wrote many letters to his daughter. Who is Jawaharlal Nehru's daughter? Indira Gandhi. Do you follow? So he wrote many letters to his daughter. So those letters were collected and was published as a book, a bunch of old letters. Okay, so that was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Then Dominic Lapierre. is the answer for 8th one, City of Joy. Then Arthur Conan Doyle is Adventures of Sherlock Holmes. So I have written the answers here. You can go through the answers or you can refer the book back for the answers. Okay, so this is page number 17. Is that clear? So I have marked the numbers. You can see the numbers how I have marked here. Make it block so that let it be visible for you all. Okay. And this is page number 18, the continuation of the books and authors. So you have totally 24 questions here, and you can see the answers how I have marked here on the right side, because in this page you cannot fill up all the author's name. So I have marked the answers here. You can see 18, 19, 22, 16 like that. So you can also mark the answers like this and you can revise for your test. Okay, so you have totally 24 questions here. So till 24 I have marked the answers on the right side. This is like nothing but match the following. Okay. So the next third topic what we are going to see is famous characters and their creators. So this is also like match the following but double matching. Okay. So the character is given and you are going to match the book name of the books and the authors who wrote that. Okay. So I have marked the answer here. You can see how I have marked the answer. Double matching. So Adam is a character, name of the character, and that is in the book Paradise Lost, and that was written by the author John Milton. Okay, so like this you have to match it. Double matching. You have to match the character name with the books and the author. Is that clear? Can you able to see? The second one is Alice, and the book is Alice. It's a familiar name, isn't it? Alice is a character name which come in the book Alice in Wonderland, and that was written by Lewis Carroll. So this is much interesting. Even I have learned many authors' name. Okay, so some of the characters are familiar to us, like Alice, then Draupadi, Hawkins, Brutus. Such names are familiar to us, but the books and the authors are really new for me also. So just go through it, guess the answer, then refer the answer at the back whether you have guessed the answer correctly. So it is very interesting topic. This one is really very interesting. Okay, so you have 16 questions here. Okay, so in page number 18 you have 11 questions, and the rest of the 5 questions are in the next page, in page number 19. Okay, so like this how I have marked here, you are also supposed to mark the answer like this. So this is page number 19. You can see the continuation of the next 5 questions from 12 to 16. So the answers are marked here. You can refer this video and mark the answers as such, or if you want, if it is not clear or if you are getting confused, you can go through, refer the book. The answers are given at the book back. You can refer that and write. Okay. So the next is famous painters. You are going to write the name of the painters who have drawn the familiar paintings. Okay. So Mona Lisa. The first one is Mona Lisa painting. Okay, it was drawn in the year 1952, between 1952 1519. So who drawn that? Leonardo da Vinci. So you can see the answer how I have written here in the dash. Please make a note of it. Then the second one is Peter, which was drawn in the year between 1475 to 1564 and was drawn by Michelangelo. Okay, so you can read the gist given here for the question. Okay, so those are all the interesting facts which you must know actually. Is that clear? So please read the notes, look for the picture and then write the answer. Then the third one is the picture given, the Maharashtrian lady drawn between 1848 and 1906. It was drawn by Begum Bath. The name of the lady is Begum Bath, the Maharashtrian lady, that is Raja Ravi Verma. The painter name is Raja Ravi Verma. Then fourth one, it was a picture of Guernica drawn by Pablo Picasso between the year 1881 to 1973. Then the fifth one is Bride's Toilet, and it was drawn by Amrita Shergill. Okay, between the year 1913 to 1941. So this is page number 19. And this is the continuation of page number 19. Here you have 4 questions. So totally 10 questions, children. So sixth one answer is Rembrandt. Then seventh one is M.F. Hussain. Sixth one author. See, it's a self-portrait. Okay, draw his picture. It's a self-portrait, biblical subject, and a self-portrait. The Night Watch, depicting a group of military men who had enlisted to defend Amsterdam and the Jewish bride, and a self-portrait. So the name of the painter is Rembrandt. Then the seventh one is M.F. Hussain. Okay, so he draw the characters from Indian mythology and the Gajagomani series. M.F. Hussain. Then eighth one answer is Raphael. The Sistine Madonna. The picture what he painted is Sistine Madonna, the Triumph of Galatea. The ninth one is Abhindranath. It is not Rabindranath, it is Abanindranath. Okay, Abanindranath. A great Indian painter. Works include Nirbhasita, Yaksha, Bharat Mata. Okay, Abanindranath Tagore. Then 10th one answer is Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh. Okay, so portrait of Dr. Gadget. That was the painting he done. That is the given here. Portrait of Dr. Gadget. Okay, so the painter's name is Vincent van Gogh. So, and down you have the help box, that is you can refer the spellings for all the answers. Okay, so all the answers are given here. You can refer it for the spellings, correct spellings. So now we pass on to page number 21. This is page number 21. You have four interesting facts. Please go through all the interesting facts. Okay, these will give you more interesting stories which you can learn. Okay, so these are the interesting facts which we don't know. Actually, by reading you can understand and come to know what is given here. Then you have first in films. First in film, this is also like match the following. So name the films that match the given description. So in the left side you have given the descriptions and you're going to match the answer that is given in the right side. Okay, so you can write the match the answers like this. See how I have written here. Okay, so mark the answers like this. So the first Kannada film in the world. So what is the answer? G. Can Dance. The first indigenous feature film which was made by Dada Saheb Phalke and released on May 3rd, 1913 is Raja Harichandra. So this is why he is the first man, Dada Saheb Phalke. Okay, who created the first picture, that is Raja Harichandra, and based on his name only later on best films were awarded in his name, Dada Saheb Phalke award. Okay, so like this, the left side you have given the descriptions and the right side you can match the answers. Okay, so this is it continued in page number 22. Also you have 23 questions here. How many questions? Totally you have 23 questions. That is in page number 22 also. Let me see that. So this is page number 22. So from 10 you can you're having questions till 23, and in the right side you can see the answers how I have marked here. Okay, so the first one is 12, 21, 27, 22, 5, 3, 6, then 16, 17 and 18. Okay, so followed by do you know. So 3 facts here given about introduced in 1969 Dada Saheb Phalke Award. That's what I said. As a film award given to an outstanding contributor to Indian cinema in any field like acting, music direction, etc. Then director with most awards. Legendary Satyajit Ray has won the most awards, international and national awards. Then hat trick of national awards. Who got that? Shabana Azmi is the only actress to win Best Actress National Award 3 years running, that is 1982, 83 and 84, honored with Padma Shri in 1988 and Padma Bhushan in the year 2012. Okay, so these are the interesting facts you can learn in page number 22. And in page number 23 you have grid. Okay, you are going to fill the grid with the given clues at the back of the page, that is in page number 23 and 24, which you are going to do by your own. Anyhow, the answers will be given at the back. You can refer the answers or try to answer by your own. Check it, guess the answer, check it at the back. If it is correct, you can mark the answer. If you don't know, you can also refer at the back. Okay, so page number 23 and 24, grid filling. So this is page number 23, grid filling. Okay, chill out. Complete the grid with the help of the given clues. So clues are given at the back. So this is page number 23. So you have so many grids to fill here. It will be interesting. So this is page number 23 and the clues are given in page number 24. And this is page number 25, the last exercise, rapid fire 2. So for first unit you had rapid fire 1. Okay, this is rapid fire 2 for the second unit, language literature. And you have 21 questions here. So this will be asked as a question answer in your exams. Okay, so you have only 21 questions here. You can see the answers I have written here on the right side. You can refer the answers at the book back. So each and every answers are given in the book back. Okay, read the question once or twice, understand the question, guess you can answer it or not. Please refer the answer at the back. Write the answers neatly as how I did here. Okay, so you have totally 21 questions. So what line on the map is the longest circumference of the earth? It is the equator. Brass is usually composed of two metals. One of these is zinc. What is the other? The other metal is copper. Okay, so like this, guess the answer and write the answer. So for each and everything I have written the answer here. You can check. So totally you have 21 questions. So this is page number 25. So that's all. This is up to about unit 2, language, literature and entertainment. Okay children, so refer the answers at the book back and I have shown you some of the answers how I have written here. Okay, so you can copy down the answers and make it neatly. Okay children, have a good day. Thank you.